Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Shorty spiral antenna for the Can-Am Spyder. If you own a Spyder F3-T, F3 Limited, or the RT model and are tired of looking at this, hey, 1993 called and they want their antenna back. Got it. Then you may be interested in this 7.5-inch spiral Shorty antenna from our friends over at Showchrome. This antenna looks way better than the stock and comes with all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. So if you're sick of seeing this and would much rather be seeing this, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.